This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Maureen Sexton. Rarely available Fresia, the largest Minto attached villa floor plan offering 3 bedrooms, den, 2 full baths and a heated pool and spa. This model is beautifully appointed from the silver leaf painted chandelier, the custom king bed, built-in closets, upgraded cabinets to the ceiling and quartz countertops. The home is further complemented by wood plantation shutters throughout and custom curtains in both the living room and owner's bedroom. The spacious great room features a tray ceiling, crown molding and ample recessed lighting. This oversized lot has amazing water views to watch the abundant bird sanctuary and wildlife. This one will not last. The Isles of Collier Preserves features a private clubhouse with a resort-style pool, tennis courts, a private restaurant, overlook, and miles of nature trails. Only 4 miles to Naples Fifth Avenue restaurants and shopping and the famed white beaches of Naples. A short distance away is the up-and-coming Bayshore Arts District, which hosts galleries, unique eateries, a brew pub and celebration park. For more information, review the details below.